Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on difference between PNC standard checking and virtual wallet. PNC standard checking is a basic checking account for everyday spending. It has a single account, and you get a debit card, online banking, and mobile banking features. The account has a monthly service fee, which can be waived by meeting certain requirements like a minimum daily balance or direct deposits. PNC Virtual Wallet is a more comprehensive product designed for managing your money. It's a suite of 3 linked accounts: a spend checking account for daily transactions, a reserve checking account for short-term savings and goals, and a growth savings account for long-term goals. Virtual Wallet offers advanced digital tools for budgeting, tracking expenses, and setting savings goals. It also includes features like low cash mode to help you avoid overdraft fees. Like standard checking, Virtual Wallet has a monthly fee, but it can also be waived. There are different tiers of Virtual Wallet, such as Performance Spend and Performance Select, which offer additional benefits like higher interest rates and more ATM fee reimbursements. In short, if you need a simple, single-account solution for daily spending, standard checking is a solid choice. If you want a more integrated system with dedicated accounts and advanced digital tools to manage your finances and savings, Virtual Wallet is the better option. With that said, thanks for watching.